you? I hope you are fine. Today we're going to continue our topic forest. Before starting our video, I want that you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you cannot miss our any video. Okay, coming to the topic, today we're going to discuss the type of the forest. In Pakistan, there are the different type of the forest are found. First, I was going to discuss the alpine forest. The alpine forest, why they are called the alpine forest? Because they are similar to the Alps, a mountain range in Europe. In Pakistan, alpine forests are found in the Gilgit-Baltistan area, and there is the too much cold area. Okay, now when there is too much cold and the snow, what's going to happen? There is less vegetation. Okay, you will not find too much. You can say the greenery in these areas due to very cold climate and the height of the 4000. You can say the tree is not going to grow properly. But one thing remember that you can say the junipers and different type of the plants are found here. The alpine forests are found in the very few areas like Chitral, Dees, Swat and Gilgit. Okay, one thing remember, these areas are in the northern areas. Okay, these are found in the Chitral, Dees and Swat. Okay. The alpine forest, one thing remember, they were grown naturally upwards so they can easily get the more sunlight, and they use only the for the purpose. What is the purpose for this? They are used for the firewood. People are living there, and you can say that they use for their in the snowy time period they use for the firewood or the cooking. They cutting the trees, and you can see there's a picture here. You can find out these are the alpine forests. How these are the alpine forests. Okay, I discussed previous one, the alpine forest. Okay, now I'm going to discuss the tropical thorn forest. Okay, in this forest you found the plants which are you can say need the little water. The most widely spread in Punjab and plain areas and small areas of the Sindh and western Balochistan. Okay, southern Sindh and the western Balochistan. Remember these areas. Okay, they are used for the grazing purpose. And the other was the watershed protection and the fuel wood, and the usually height is 6 to 9 meter. This is the very one thing remember, that you can say this is the natural vegetation over the whole of the Indus plain, and you can say there is the driest part what in the desert, for example with her or these areas you can find out here. Into the subtropical dry evergreen type of the lower hills to the northern and west. These plants are very evergreen. You can say every season they remain green. They know because already I told you they need the less water. They have the deep roots for searching the water, and their roots are very you can say deeply, and they can search the water from the deep side. Tropical thorn forest. Here is the picture. You can see there the third forest, and you find out the tropical thorn forest. Coniferous forest. The coniferous forest, one thing remember, 1000 to 400 meter altitude, and they are found in Chitral, Swat, Upper and Lower Deep, Malakand, Mansehra and these areas. Okay. Anyone that the Kashmir and Rawalpindi district and the Punjab areas also cover with these forests. Okay. Coniferous forests are evergreen. Okay. And they survive in the lower temperature, and they are you already I told you these what is the mean of evergreen, that every season they remain green. Okay, even that the lower temperature, I told you that these area where I am taking the names that are already Chitwal, Swat and Deer or other name, they are very cold region. They are the most important source of one thing remember, these are very valuable wood timber you find here and using for the furniture and boxes here. Okay, with the help of this. Now very interesting thing I was going to tell you about that they having the conical shape and having the slope branches. Why these are the slope branches? So that when the snow falls they are easily dropped. Okay, so you can say easily move from the you can say the from the branches that snow easily move. These type of the forests are what are the good for, if you are thinking about what is the purpose of these or why they are good for the, they are good for the breeding for the birds, wildlife and you can see that when you see the all areas of the maris, all these areas, you found that the coniferae are the best example. I am showing here the pictures. You see their beauty, the tourists are coming, they want to see the greenery, and they can promote the tourism industry. Okay, now alpine coniferous. Now what is the subtropical scrub forest? Okay, commonly these are the non-scrub forests. These forests are consist of the branches, trees forming a canopy of the complete closure, and their sacred trees are shrubs growth. These trees are shrubs are mostly thorny and evergreen, but some like olive and pomegranate are not thorn. You can say that we are found these are very type of the forest, but there are the other plants also grown here. Okay, they which are not thorny. These scrub forests occur at the height of 1500 to 5000 feet. Okay, these where they are found. Now main reason, main question everyone want to ask you, where they found her? They are found in Gujarat, Marga Hills, Attock, Malakand, and you can say actually broadly speaking these forests throughout the country at suitable elevation. You can see found at different areas these forests are. For example, pine forest you can see in Karachi also, and Lahore and different areas of Pakistan. Now what is the purpose of these forests? Okay, again the question. These are used for the grazing purpose and supplying the firewood. It now you can see that these areas supplying the firewood here you can use for them, and the people who are living in their areas they can bring their animals for the grazing. Okay, very important when the mangrove forest. Mangrove forest. Okay, one thing remember, you seen the delta? Anyone? Okay, I'm telling you what is the delta. Where you know very well the you can say found out the river and sea water closure come to each other. And these areas you find out the bushes type of trees, and what going to happen in these river delta areas along the river and the coast areas where you can say the river and it enter the water in the sea. This type of the area you find the mangrove forest. This is called the delta, and you in Pakistan it found in the Arabian coastal area. Okay, remember in Pakistan found in Arabian coastal area. Estimate 1,29,000 hectare areas of the Indus Delta and over 3,000 hectare in Gwadar Bay area. Okay, the Gwadar is also you know very well sea area. So you found here. They are naturally habitat to a large number of insects. And I already told you this is the very you can say the important one the forest. Why? Because you find out the birds, snakes, and different type of the breeding things, and this is people going to make their nursery. For example, the fish, shrubs, and the crabs are found here. Okay, the different birds are coming in the season wise. For example, northern areas and come to breed here. Okay, mangrove forests protect the coast from the dangerous cyclones. It is very important. I told you that it's going to help you to protect the from cyclone and slow the water, helping to protect the coastline and preventing the erosion also. They make the water slow. Okay, so it's going not going to you can say the erosion here, and they also the broad leaves and the leathery texture. One thing remember, and 6 to 8 meter, but their general height is 3 meter. Mangroves are the supply of what is the reason? You can say the purpose of the wood or the trees. Already I told you there are the different breeding things are you found here, fish, shrimp. They're very good for that. But one thing remember, the trees, the wood was used only for the firewood, and local people who are living there they use for the fire or the timber. These are the mangrove forests, and you can see there. These are very beautiful scenery here. Okay. Riverine forest. Riverine forest occurs in the you can say the province of Sindh along the both banks. They are in the you can say found of the river areas and irrigated there. What going to happen there time period? One thing remember, these are the very famous. Why? Because you can say valuable you food are found here. Okay, and you can say irrigated these it is heavily dependent on the intensity, duration, and frequency of river water. They make the water stable. Okay, you can say the duration and providing the water properly in the river usage. They provide the shrimp, you can say they provide the shisham and the valuable, you can say, wood, and for use for the furniture purpose. Okay, shisham is, you know, very everyone listen this word and know very well that the furniture made from the shisham wood, it is very expensive one. Okay, so you found here the river and forest. Okay, in the river and forest, where they found in river and forest in the Indus and the different tributaries areas. And what is the purpose of that? They are along the bank side of the, and the other thing I told you that they are used for the furniture, the valuable, you can say, wood are found here, so you make the furniture here. Irrigated forest, man-made forest. Okay, you remember I told you that there is a two type of the protection and protective forest. So same way, these are the man-made forests which are found in the along the, you can say, roadside, or you can say railway, parks, and different areas. And what is the use? You know very well, clean the environment, water logging, and the firewood. And these is the purpose of these. Okay, river in forest here the picture, and irrigated forest. This is the map. Now I am going to explain you with the help of the map how you going to found the forest. Because in the papers mostly they giving you a, you can say they give you a map and they ask you where the river and forest are found, or the where is the, you can say, the alpine forest. Okay, I am just giving you a 2 or 3 examples, not every example I am here explaining here. For example, if they want to ask where the alpine forest, okay, everyone know this is the area where you going to find out the alpine forest. Why? Because this is the northern area. Okay, same way, subtropical you can say forest. What going to happen? These are the forests are found in the desert area, and you know very well the third desert, the Sindh area and the Punjab and different Balochistan also parts and parts discovered with the, you can say, you find out here. Okay, now I told you about the very important the mangrove forest. Where they going to find out? This is the Arabian Sea. You can see this is the part is called the Arabian Sea, and now this is the area which is near the Arabian Sea. You find the mangrove forest. Okay, coniferous forests are the areas, you can see different areas in the Balochistan also, and some part of the northern areas you are finding found here. Okay, in this way you can continue your practice in the map, so you understand and help you. First of all, one thing, remember the province's name. For example, this is the Balochistan. Okay, now what is this? This is the, you can say, the area of the Sindh and the Punjab. Okay, one thing remember, you know the northern areas, everything you remember this, and then you are going to learn about this. Okay, now I hope you understand our topic completely, all the types of the forest, and best of luck. And to be the part the 3, which is very important, please subscribe our channel so you cannot miss our part 3 to be continued. Thank you so much.